Welcome back to MeowMeowKapow. My name is Mikki, and today I have another unboxing. I'm a lucky girl. This is from MeowMeowKapow, and she has a YouTube channel also, and she's got some amazing videos, very instructive, very informative. I am a big fan of hers. And I found out she has an Etsy shop, so I went over and took a look, and I ordered a print of these really cute cats, and it's 8x10, and I can't wait to open this and put it in a frame. And come to find out, it's a little bit bigger and a little bit fatter than a print. So what the heck did you send me? You must be sending me some really cool things, I think. So, I'm so grateful. So she's got, please be a friend, do not bend, and these cute little cat washi tape. Looks just like my cat Mitty. I did have a cat named Midnight. We lost him, so we got a kitten about a year later and named her Mitty, because they're both black. In honor of Midnight, of course. So I see my print right away. Oh my gosh! I'm already excited. Oh, look at that. Oh, can you guys see this? Oh, my word, look at this. Hee hee hee. Oh gosh, I hope my frame is big enough for this. Oh, these are so great. You guys, this is awesome. And she's a note on the back. Oh, I'm gonna read it off camera. So, there's this amazing, you guys, if you want one, grab one. I think there's one left. She probably will do some more prints too, but I think there's just one of these left. So, oh my gosh, what did she do? Oh no, she did. So here is her information. She's got a Facebook, a YouTube, Etsy, and there's her information. Here's her card. What a cool card! I don't have cards. Maybe I should get one. So let's see, I'll put that somewhere where you guys can see it. Oh, look at these. Yum, yum, yum! Some sweet treats. I love these. And there's two things in here, and look at, these are Holbein watercolors. And she's, oh my gosh, this is great, you guys. I think she actually did this one on her video. Did she send me the original? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, is that cute or what? And she's got a little way to hold it. Oh, this is, I think this is the original. Look at that. Is that not the most, these are actually Holbein watercolors. I've been meaning to try these paints. And this is the best. Thank you so much. Look at this. And it has a little swatch card on it. How, this is awesome. Sorry, I'm going nuts. I sound way nuts, but oh, look at this. And it's got a little brush. Oh my god. This is the best, the most awesome. Oh, I stuck my finger in it. Darn. But they're still fresh, you guys. I don't know if that's the original or a copy. Let me try to rinse my fingers out. I have been sick for almost 2 weeks now. I first had a stomach virus for 1 week. I took a week off from work, and then I got this head flu for another week, and it's just persisting, and I haven't been able to get this, and I knew it was in my mailbox, and I was dying to go get it, but I just felt awful. And look at this, you guys. Oh, I'm gonna cry. This is so sweet. I love handmade things, and oh my word. Oh my gosh. Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is, I just can't stop myself. This is so cool. These are the mission golds. Oh wow. All the way from opera to sepia. I gotta swatch these out. I think I'm gonna do that. Oh, thank you so much, Kat. This is awesome. And I'm gonna have to write you a long letter. So let me swatch these out and regroup, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back after doing this little quick mini painting because they have mini paint sets, and I kind of just combined them both because, I don't know, I thought it'd be good to do one painting with them both. And I think for the Holbein watercolors, they're all really vibrant. Look at this permanent yellow deep. Wow, that's a lot of color right there. So these are all really great. This ultramarine deep is nice and granulating. The Mission Gold has two different pigments for their ultramarine deep, and they look fairly similar. So permanent yellow deep in Mission Golds looks like a little bit more orange. It's really cool. I can kind of compare a couple. So, wow. Thanks again, Kat. This is really awesome. And I have framed the print in this nice little frame here. And it's going on my wall right here in my studio room so that I can see it when I'm creating. And I really, thanks a lot for joining me with this video. If you want to know what this block is, it's a little 4x6 fluid watercolor block, and the small ones kind of stay down better than the bigger ones. Their bigger ones are a little, they buckle a little bit more, but I would still use them if you're just, you know, trying to get some ideas on paper, and they work well. So these two ends are open and these are glued, so the paper's okay. I would get the Fluid 100 if you're looking to do something more permanent and better quality. But look how nice these paints work together. I mean, it's like they are like meant to be. So again, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks again, Kat. Bye.